Kenya towards its right place as a knowledge-based society. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenyan universities are witnessing a surge in the number of graduating students, which should also challenge us to put in place measures that guard against falling standards and the quality of degrees awarded. In 2023 alone, 22,774 undergraduate students graduated from Morocco universities. This rising number of graduates has also been felt at the graduate level, where 455 students graduated with doctorate degrees. Although these numbers aren't comprehensive, as they were sourced from only 53 institutions out of the existing 75, fewer many due to emerging data protection challenges, they highlight our commitment to fostering